Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing and my review of this new style by René of Paris called Margo, and I have it in the color Glazed Auburn R. Let's unpack it straight away. It's a longer piece, that much I know, and it looks stunning. Have a look what it looks like. Ooh, I'm already liking this color. So securely packaged in a box with a net and tissue paper. And you have slide waves here for that kind of undone look. Yeah, let's look at the cap construction. So we have this wide mono part. That's what René of Paris calls it. To me, it's a small monotop because look at how much space you get. You can have a center part and a left and a right part as well. And so you can part it in this section here wherever you like. And then you have velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays in them. You have an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters and open wefts sides and back. There is quite a lot of stretch in this cap, and not to forget, you have an extended lace front. So that gives you that really natural hairline all the way into the ear tab. So you can pull it back and it looks like hair's growing out of your scalp on the sides here as well. Pretty, so let's put it on. Oh wow, this is pretty. This is gorgeous. Wow. Right, let me back up and let me show it to you straight out of the box. So as you've just seen, I just raked my fingers through it, nothing else. Let's look at the lace front. So that lace front looks really good. And here is the lace front running into the ear tabs. And the transition into that looks really good as well. So you can't see any extra material or anything like that. So really natural transition. So this is my bio hair. So if you have bio hair like me and you have a different color to your bio hair, you might want to match this with the color you're wearing. I'm actually never that bothered about it. I just tuck it back like so. And when I tuck it, it normally just disappears. But everyone is different, completely depends on what you want to do. But let's look at this lace front again. I think for this darker color, this looks amazing. You have some of these auburn pieces here to the front, but it's not a band effect. It looks really natural. Maybe slight bit of knotting, but not much. And I do like the density here at the front as well. It looks really quite natural. So the ear tabs finish on me here. There is space between the cap and the ears on me. So let's look at the white mono part. So this is with the zigzag parting in. Let me show it to you. When I want to move it to the other side a little bit. So I have a wig cap underneath it. This is what you can see here. Just so you're aware, it's not part of the wig or anything. But that part looks really natural. It gives you the illusion of scalp there. This will be more natural looking if you have no hair underneath it. But it's really good. So let me now just comb through it. I wish they would put these so they're not in the way at the front. When you first get a wig, you want to see what it looks like. And if you have these tags at the front all the time, it kind of ruins the look. So you always have to play with it and put it away. And so I just wish the tags would not be as big and they would be just put to the back. So they don't interfere with you just wanting to see what this looks like on you. Because if you have tags, it just doesn't look natural, right? But that's just a small complaint. It's nothing that really has anything to do with the wig. But look how pretty this is. As you've seen, changing the part was really easy as well. No heat or water needed here. This is such a pretty wig. You have these barely there waves, which I love. So let me show you now from all sides after I've changed the part and combed it through. I love it, and I love this color. This is really gorgeous. So let's talk about this color. What you have is a mix of deep red and medium copper tones, and it gives you kind of this rusty brown effect, and with a hue of caramel in there as well. You have a dark chocolate root, which is so beautifully blended. It's not a long root at all. It's very natural. You hardly notice it's there, I think. It's really well done. It's throughout the wig. It's a vibrant color, but not too much, not too in your face. So here's the color outside. So hopefully that will give you a good idea of what this color looks like outside in the natural light. Indoors, I have a ring light on and a box light coming from this side and natural light coming from this side. So let's talk about the density. Let me look for permatease. Nothing big and poofy here at all. There is just a little bit of tease around the open wefts. This is used to help disguise the wefts in case you want to do an updo or in case the wind goes. So it kind of obscures those wefts. So just show you from the back what that looks like when the wind goes-ish. So it helps just to disguise this. But I think it lays nice and flat to the top of my head here, which I personally really like, because to me that looks on me the most natural. But we are all different. So I just tell you what I see and what works for me. The density in itself, I think it's higher end of low. It's definitely I would say a low density wig. When you look at the ponytail, there is not a substantial amount of hair here, but there's a good amount of hair. So you still have a ponytail that looks good rather than too flimsy. And I think it's the right amount for the little bit of waves that you have, etc. You have a few layers in here. So you have layers here at the front that frame your face. And then you have, I don't think you have many layers anywhere else. Maybe just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. But you certainly have longer layers. You don't have any short layers. So the shortest is probably this one here at the front. So let's talk about the fit. On my 21.75 inches, straight out of the box, it fits perfectly. There is quite a lot of room to tighten it here, and there is a little bit of room to widen it. So I do think this is an average sized cap. There's stretch in the cap. If you are 22 inch, I don't think this is a problem at all. If you're slightly above it, I don't think it's a problem. If you are 23, there is stretch in the cap, maybe. But check that with Aderans Trendco to ensure that it would fit you and that it would fit you comfortably. If you have a smaller circumference than mine, there's room to tighten it quite a bit. You might just have a little bit more gapping here at the back because I have a little bit of gapping here. So these fibers are heat-friendly fibers. So that gives you a lot of styling versatility. You can straighten this. You can put different types of waves or curls to it, etc. Completely up to you. So you could almost treat it like it was your bio hair, which is great. Just be aware that heat-friendly fibers do need heat maintenance. So after probably a couple of wears, you will get kind of a clumping / frizzy look, which is not unusual for heat-friendly fibers. And as I said, heat-friendly fibers need heat treatment. So use a heat tool to maintain these fibers. So straight out of the box, these feel incredibly soft. They are lovely, they feel fine, they feel and look really natural. I think they move beautifully. So let's talk about styling. As I said, heat-friendly fibers, so you can change it into a straight look, or you can add different waves or curls to it, whatever you want. If you don't want to do any of it, you can have a low pony, and you have these front layers here, and they will fall out, which I always like that look. And you can obviously change this into a more of a, almost like a butterfly cut look, like so. And then you have a low pony. You could clip it up with a claw clip, which I think looks lush on this one, because as I said, there is a decent amount of hair here, but not over the top. So any updos you have will look lush. Have a half up, half down, which again I think with these shorter layers here at the front, because they frame your face and focus on your eyes, it's just a really great look. It might just look a bit messy because I haven't got a mirror here, so I have to do it in front of the camera, which is never that easy. But at least hopefully this will give you an idea of what you can do with this one. Little headband, could stick it in just like so. This isn't really a face flopper at all, which is lovely, but you can have this look as well. Clip back or twist the side like so. You can do that on both sides. So I would like to say thank you to Aderans Trendco for providing me with this piece so I can review it for you. The link to this piece is down below in the description box. Don't forget to use my code K20. That will give you an amazing 20% off site-wide. And Aderans Trendco does ship worldwide. So if you're not in Europe, you still can get your hand on this one. If you have any questions, any comments, put them down below. And I hope I see you very soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.